Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Congratulations on the award of the prize.
Thank you. Thank you.
Did the news wake you this morning?
Absolutely. I was sound asleep.
Nice way to be woken up.
Definitely. Unexpected and very nice.
What was your first action on hearing that you'd been awarded?
Oh, well, I wasn't sure if it was true, and I was trying to wake up. And my wife was telling me, what's going on? And then I realized it's true, and so I started to try to figure out, clear my thoughts. It's quite an honor and quite a surprise.
Of course. And one of your co-laureates, of course, was your postdoc supervisor, Brus.
Absolutely, Lou Brus, yes. A giant in the field, yes.
Yeah. What was it like working together?
Oh, he is an amazing mentor. He's a true scholar. He's dedicated to science. I learned so much from him. Really, he molded me as a scientist. I try to emulate his style of mentorship with my own students.
And what is that style? What do you do?
You guide the students. You let them explore, and you provide feedback. But you have to teach them to become scientists through gentle guidance.
Discover what's best about themselves, I suppose, is the key.
Exactly, yes.
It was 30 years ago that you perfected the synthesis of colloidal quantum nanoparticles. Did you imagine then that would be the kind of route for the rest of your career up till now, that this would blossom so?
No, absolutely not. It was with my students, Chris Murray and David Norris, we did this at MIT when I first started out as an assistant professor. It was basically my first work there that was built on work that I had started at Bell Labs with Brus. And at the time, it was to really understand the physics of the material. We needed really good samples to understand the physics, but I had no idea this would become what it is today. And over the years, many of us in the field kept thinking, when is this going to end? But the field just keeps on giving, and it's been really amazing to see that. And the community is so large today, and who knew it would be like that?
There's so much to be excited about in it. Is there anything in particular that pops into your mind now that you'd say was the most exciting thing at this moment?
For me, no. It's still a blur.
No, I meant in the field rather than in the day. But I meant. Every few years something really exciting. When I go to conferences and I hear people talk about their work, I'm always amazed at the quality and the new things that are coming out. So it's an ongoing excitement, I would say. I know it must be difficult to put into words what is going through your mind now about the day as it's unfolding, but how do you see the prospect of today and the days to come as a new Nobel laureate?
I think it's going to be very chaotic today, and I'm supposed to teach at 9 this morning, and I'm not sure what's going to happen. Sure, MIT has some events that they're going to plan, and so I'm just going to let it ride.
Sounds very wise, and I think you're going to have some very happy students at 9 o'clock.
Oh, I'm sure I will. Yes, yeah.
Exciting for them.
Clear.
How lovely! Thank you very much indeed. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
If you enjoyed hearing this call, don't miss our bonus episode, where Adam Smith takes a turn as guest, and we go behind the scenes from these very special moments. Find it on Acast or wherever you listen to podcasts.